Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, will be targeting local tradespersons during the promotion of its recently launched Tradesperson Ownership Opportunity Loan Program, or TOOL. The TOOL Roadshow will be on location with suppliers partnering with DBJ, such as Delta Supply Company, K-Band Hardware, National Supply Company, SCL Jamaica, Rapid True Value, Total Tools, and Hypro. During the roadshows, participants can benefit from special discounts on select tools, giveaways, and prizes. Attendees will also be able to meet with microfinance institutions who are offering tool loans, including Exim Bank, Lasco Microfinance, Bull Investments, Jane Bank, and Regions Financial Services, to secure details on how to access loans of up to $500,000 to purchase tools, enhance their productivity, and grow their business. Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances Limited has declared a dividend of 5 Jamaican cents per share payable on October 11, 2024 to shareholders on record as at September 20, 2024. The ex-dividend date is September 20, 2024. Mayberry Investments Limited announces that its 10.75% secured bonds due 2025 have been oversubscribed, and its board has chosen to close the subscription list early on September 10, 2024 at 4:30 p.m. The basis of allotment of the 10.75% secured bonds due 2025 will be published on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website at www.jamstockx.com. During trading for the period of September 10, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, with 4,174,947 units, represented 25.87% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Once again, Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, 8% shares with 2,007,679 units, represented 12.44% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Retail giant Fontana Limited, with 1,700,059 units, represent 10.53% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On September 11, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $60.3 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $64.38 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.65 and bought the US dollar for $156.98. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.67, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $117.47 and bought for $115.47. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.47, selling it for $208.32 and buying it for $200.85. For our credit report tip of the day, we want you to know that for retirement planning, leveraging your credit can be a powerful tool to catch up. We offer 2 strategies. Avoid opening new credit accounts. Limit opening new accounts, which can reduce your average account age and negatively affect your score. Focus on building your existing credit lines. Increase your credit limits. Ask for a credit limit increase on existing cards, but avoid using the extra credit. This can lower your credit utilization ratio and enhance your score. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.